Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we have another unboxing. I know what this is, but I don't actually know much about it. So it's from Australia. Just open that there, cack-handed. And gently down there. Sheath it back up. Rightio. Here it is. So that's a nice looking case by anyone's standards. Well, I think it is anyway. It's obviously fake. I always hate it when these are latched up. Got away with that. So here we have it. The Duva Deluxe. I think that's how you pronounce it. Duva. I don't even know if that's coming out. That's probably been put in the wrong way. Who knows? Ah, it can stay there. As long as the razor comes out. So this is apparently nothing underneath. An Australian made razor from back in the day. I have seen these occasionally on the Bay of E. But usually they have a very, very plain handle. And all the Australian razors that I have seen and know about, and there could be others on the market, but from what I've seen, they all have really, really plain handles like that. Like as plain as the most basic Gillette handle that gets around. But I saw this, someone pointed it out to me, and I thought, nah. And then I thought about it. You know what? That handle is pretty spiffy. Looks like a good ultrasonic clean will clean up that really nicely. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to buy it. And I did. It's obviously gold plated. It's worn off there in the cap. Let's take that off. No splits, I don't know, but it looks like a join. Who knows? So that's a 3-piece. Needs a bit of a clean up. That's just surface rough. That rust, that'll come off. That probably was from the blade, I would say, that was in there. And they've obviously kindly disposed of that before they've sent it. So you'd say, you call that a long comb? I think I would. So it's just a standard 3-piece razor, but it's an Australian one. So that's what makes it special. So once it's come up in the unboxing, I will do a shave video with it and see what it's all about. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for tuning in and sticking around. Just like to say thanks to all my subscribers, new and old, and for jumping on board with my channel, and also to leave a like. There it is. Is that the like? Yes, so that would be really appreciated. Thank you very much, and we'll chat soon. Ciao for now.